Hello everyone, myself Adityan, along with my friends Diyashade, Kishore, Safna, Adiresh, under the leadership of Anjali, have created a video upon the topic cell. As you all know, cells are the fundamental unit of life. All organisms are made up of cells. These cells perform various different functions. Cells are made up of special components known as organelles. These organelles together constitute the basic unit of life known as cell. Let us learn more about the structure of cell.
Cell wall. Cell wall is also known as cell membrane. A cell wall is a structural layer surrounding some types of cells just outside the cell membrane. It can be tough, flexible and sometimes rigid. It provides the cell with both structural support and protection and also acts as a filtering mechanism.
Cytoplasm is a liquid substance inside a cell which contains several cell organelles like mitochondria, Golgi apparatus, plastids, etc.
Nucleus is a membrane bound organelle. It is found in the central region of the cell. It is spherical in shape. It contains the genetic information of the cell in the form of DNA. It controls the chemical activities in the cell.
A spontaneous movement of a substance from where its concentration is high to where its concentration is low is called diffusion.
Today I want to tell you what is unicellular organism. Unicellular organisms are made up of one single cell and which carries all the function needed by the organism.
Cell organelles. There are 6 types of cell organelles: nucleus, ribosomes, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, chromoplast and mitochondria.
Cell theory was presented by Schleiden and Schwann. They said that all the organisms are composed of cell and cell is the basic unit of life. And further, Virtue expanded the theory as all the cell arise from a pre-existing cell.
Osmosis is the passage of water from a region of high water concentration through a semi-permeable membrane to a region of lower water concentration.
Then it comes about hypotonic solution. Hypotonic solution refers to a solution that contains a lower amount of solute as compared with the solute concentration in other solutions.
Isotonic solutions, a solution that has same salt concentration as cells and blood. Isotonic solutions are commonly used as intravenously infused fluids in hospitalized patients.
Heterogeneous solution is a solution which have higher concentration of solute and lower concentration of solvent. In this solution, if we put a plant cell, the cell will shrink because as osmosis takes place here, the higher concentration of water moves to lower concentration region. So the water inside the cell moves to the solution and hence the cell becomes shrinked.
Next comes the endoplasmic reticulum. The endoplasmic reticulum, ER, is largest membrane bound organelle in eukaryotic cells and performs a variety of essential cellular functions including protein synthesis and processing, lipid synthesis and calcium storage and release.
Mitochondria have two membrane covering, outer membrane and inner membrane. Inner membrane contains numerous folds which have more surface area and can generate ATP. So when respiration takes place, the energy formed there is stored in ATP. And when energy is required, ATP breaks down into ADP and phosphate, and when energy is required, it is produced. So mitochondria contains their own DNA and ribosome, so it can produce their own proteins. And mitochondria is known as the power of the house of the cell. ATP is known as the energy currency of a cell.
The process by which new cells are made is called cell division. There are two main types of cell division which are known as mitosis and meiosis. In meiosis, the mother cell divides into 4 daughter cells, and these 4 daughter cells only have half the amount of chromosomes present in the mother cell. In mitosis, the mother cell divides into 2 daughter cells. These two daughter cells have the same amount of chromosomes that are in the mother cell. It is used for repairing tissues in organisms.